Have you ever dreamed of exploring far-off lands, places with vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes? Maybe you imagine yourself hiking through lush jungles in Costa Rica, or perhaps you see yourself bartering for spices in a bustling Moroccan marketplace. It's easy to think these exotic adventures are only for the rich and famous. But I'm here to tell you that's a myth. You don't need a trust fund to experience the world's wonders. I've spent years traveling the globe on a shoestring budget. I've learned that exotic travel can be surprisingly affordable. It's all about knowing where to look and how to plan. So get ready to ditch the misconception that exotic equals expensive. We're about to embark on a journey to discover how you can have incredible adventures without breaking the bank. So, what exactly do we mean by exotic? It's not just about far-flung destinations, it's about experiencing something different, something unique. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone and immersing yourself in a new culture. It's about the thrill of discovering hidden gems and creating unforgettable memories. Exotic can be found in the ancient temples of Angkor Wat, Cambodia. It can be found in the colorful festivals of India. It can be found in the stunning landscapes of Patagonia. And the best part? These experiences don't have to cost a fortune. Imagine trekking through the Himalayas, surrounded by snow-capped peaks. Picture yourself haggling for souvenirs in a vibrant Moroccan souk. Visualize yourself sipping cocktails on a pristine beach in Thailand. These are just a few examples of affordable exotic adventures waiting to be discovered. Many people believe that exotic travel is inherently expensive. They see images of luxurious resorts and private jets and assume that's the only way to experience these destinations. But this is simply not true. In reality, many factors contribute to the high cost of travel, and most of them can be avoided with a little planning and flexibility. One major culprit is the travel industry itself. Tour companies often inflate prices, packaging destinations as exclusive and inaccessible to budget travelers. But with a little research and resourcefulness, you can bypass these overpriced options. You can create your own itinerary, choosing affordable accommodations, transportation, and activities. Another misconception is that exotic destinations are inherently more expensive than familiar ones. While it's true that some destinations are pricier than others, there are countless hidden gems offering incredible value. You can find affordable accommodations, food, and activities in many exotic locations. It's all about knowing where to look and how to bargain. Section 4. Cracking the code tips for budget-friendly exotic vacations. So how do you make exotic travel affordable? It's all about being savvy and strategic. Here are a few tips to get you started. Travel off-peak. Avoid peak tourist seasons when prices skyrocket. Shoulder seasons like spring and fall often offer pleasant weather and lower prices. Embrace alternative transportation. Ditch expensive flights for budget-friendly options like buses, trains, or even ferries. Master the art of accommodation. Explore budget-friendly options like hostels, guest houses, or even homestays. Cook your own meals. Save money on expensive restaurant meals by cooking your own food. Many hostels and guest houses have kitchens available. Leverage reward programs. Sign up for travel reward programs to earn points and miles that can be redeemed for free flights, accommodation, and other perks. These are just a few of the many ways to stretch your travel budget further. By being resourceful and flexible, you can unlock a world of affordable, exotic adventures. Section 5. Real-life adventures tales from the budget traveler's road. I've spent years traveling the world on a shoestring budget, and I've had some incredible experiences without breaking the bank. For example, I once spent a month exploring Southeast Asia for under $1,000. I stayed in budget-friendly guest houses, ate delicious street food, and used local transportation to get around. I even climbed Mount Kinabalu in Borneo, one of Southeast Asia's highest peaks, for a fraction of the cost of organized tours. Another time I spent 2 weeks exploring the ancient ruins of Peru for under $500. I stayed in hostels, cooked my own meals, and took advantage of free walking tours. I even hiked the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, a once-in-a-lifetime experience on a shoestring budget. These are just a few examples of how you can have incredible exotic adventures without spending a fortune. By being resourceful and open to new experiences, you can create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 6. Key takeaways. Your exotic adventure awaits. The key takeaway is this: exotic travel doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and creativity, you can experience the world's wonders without breaking the bank. Remember to travel off-peak, embrace alternative transportation, explore budget-friendly accommodations, and cook your own meals. Don't let the myth of costly adventures hold you back. Your exotic adventure awaits, and it's more affordable than you think. So start planning your next adventure today. Where will you go? What will you discover? The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Join the conversation. Share your budget travel hacks. Now it's your turn. I'd love to hear about your budget travel experiences. What are your favorite tips for saving money on exotic vacations? What are some of your most memorable budget-friendly adventures? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the world without breaking the bank.